Transcription number 24, 5 seconds. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I rise to support the bill which has been moved by the Honorable Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. This bill incorporates certain sentiments which the country holds so dear as far as the office of President is concerned, and also incorporates the faith of the people in themselves that when they will elect a president, the person who would be occupying the high post would be a person who would have not only the love and affection of the people but would be, as the Honorable Minister pointed out, a dedicated politician whose whole life is dedicated to the service of the nation. Before he became the president, during this occupation of the office of president, and even after he retired from that office, it is this confidence of the people in themselves and the high love and affection which they hold for this office which have resulted in this particular bill being considered by the House at the present moment. The Honorable Minister has pointed out that the President who has just retired has fulfilled all the requirements which are the basic of this particular measure, and the measure which was passed